Thank you for choosing Hitachi for your compressed air needs. Compressors must always operate stably. They are so important, they are called the heart of the factory. To use compressors correctly and efficiently, it is necessary to carry out regular maintenance. Lack of maintenance can cause problems in the operation of your business, or even downtime. This video will help not only on-site equipment managers, but also managers and owners to understand the importance of maintenance in an easy-to-understand manner, so such situations do not occur. Today, we will introduce the role and importance of air intake filters. Let's take a look at how the compressor works. Compressors take in air from the atmosphere and compress it. The air intake filter is located where the air enters the compressor. It prevents foreign matter in the air from being sucked into the compressor, and the air element captures the foreign matter. If the air intake filter element becomes clogged, extra energy will be consumed due to the pressure loss. It leads to increased costs. As an example, let's look at the case of a 37 kilowatt air compressor. A pressure loss of 4 kilopascals leads to a cost increase of about $900, and a pressure loss of 7 kilopascals leads to a cost increase of about $1,800. Therefore, regular maintenance and replacement are required. On the other hand, there are air intake filters that do not clog. In fact, such filters may not be able to capture foreign matter because of their rough mesh. If the filter is not clogged, there is a possibility that a large amount of foreign matter has flowed to the secondary side. In that case, the air quality becomes degraded, and it causes premature deterioration of compressor consumables. In addition, that kind of air has a negative impact on the production line, so we should be cautious. The use of will-fit parts with uncertain quality and product warranty increases the possibility of causing such problems. Depending on the model, the Hitachi air intake filter has a two-stage system with swivel separation and filtering. As shown in this figure, the air sucked from the inlet flows while swirling inside the casing. The centrifugal effect separates the dust from the air. Dust that could not be separated by the centrifugal separation effect is captured by the air intake filter element, and the air becomes clean. It is sucked into the compressor from the outlet. Hitachi's genuine air intake filter has a high capture ratio due to this two-step method. The fine mesh of the filter not only captures foreign objects, but the large size of the air intake filter also increases the filtration area, reducing pressure loss and increasing the amount of air discharged with the same power. By properly using Hitachi genuine parts in this way, you can operate your business efficiently. To ensure compressor performance and cost, always choose Hitachi genuine parts.